Okay, I'm getting ready to add some vegetables to my garden that I never grown before. The red giant mustard green and the green globe improved artichoke. They both look good. The mustard greens shouldn't take no more than maybe 40 days before I be able to see a harvest from them. But the artichoke, they said 150 to 180 days before I can get a harvest from them. And I saw that won't be until sometime in the spring. But I can't wait to be able to make me some spinach and artichoke dip. I love eating that. So I'm getting ready to sow these seeds soon in Big Mama's garden. Look at these artichoke seeds. I'm getting ready to sow me some artichokes. They some big seeds. Gonna take 150 to 180 days to grow, they say. So I may not see this harvest of the artichokes until May or June. Can't wait to see you growing in Big Mama's garden. Okay, I have my red mustard greens seeds sowed in this bed. I put the straw over it to cover it up, protect it from the cold weather's coming. Okay, red mustard green, come on and grow. Getting ready to storm today. I'm going to move my bell peppers inside. I have everything covered up good with the straw. Look at that spinach growing. Boy, okay. I see a few coming up under here. Look at my red cabbage. Okay, red cabbage. Y'all looking good. Okay, cabbage. Keep growing big and beautiful for me. Look at here. Got flowers blooming here on these tomato plants. Okay, tomato. Look at my okra. Look at that. Look at that okra still growing in December. Look at that. Got flowers coming up. Got some more up there. I see your okra. Look over there. More okra. Okay, okay. Look down here. I got some okra coming in there. Okay. Okay. Keep growing big and beautiful. I covered up my romaine lettuce here. And my spinach that's growing over here in the collard greens. It's got a little storm coming today. Got my greens coming up again here. They looking good. Come on, lettuce. Oh, look at y'all sprouting up there. Come on, lettuce. Got my mustard greens here. I added in some of the red mustard greens going around the front part of this bed, these two beds. Look at my garlic. Oh boy, you sprouting up too.